Equity Bank CEO suffers blow after court nullifies Muthaiga land title. Equity Bank Chief Executive James Njuguna Mwangi has suffered a major legal setback after the Environment and Land Court in Nairobi ruled that he illegally acquired a prime parcel of land in the upmarket Muthaiga area. Justice Lawrence Mugambi declared that the land in dispute L.R. 214/20ths 1/1 and L.R. 214/20 later irregularly amalgamated into L.R. 214/830 belongs to Mount Pleasant Limited, not to Dr Mwangi and his wife Jane Wangui Mundia. Mwangi together with his wife has also been ordered to pay Kshs 10 million in damages plus interest. An award does hereby issue of general damages for trespass, assessed at Kenya Shillings 10 million. The first and second defendants to pay interest on the above amount at court rates from the date of this judgment until payment in full. The 1/5 and second defendants counterclaim is dismissed with costs.The first and second defendants to pay the plaintiff the costs of the suit. Justice Angote ruled. The ruling ends a high-stakes property battle pitting the bank boss against Mount Pleasant Ltd, which traced its ownership to former Cabinet Minister Arthur Kenya Njuguna Mwangi and his wife Margaret. The company said it bought the property in 2006 for Ksh 130 million after the Mwangi's redeemed it from the National Bank of Kenya. Mwangi maintained that he purchased the same land in 2012 directly from the late President Daniel Arap Moi for Ksh 320 million, producing a conveyance allegedly executed by the former head of state. He said he took possession and even initiated amalgamation and survey approvals, but in a detailed judgment, Justice Mugambi found that Moi had long lost ownership of the parcels in 1982 when he transferred them to the Mwangi's, whose title was later conveyed to Mount Pleasant Limited. The judge said any later transaction purporting to return the property to Moi or to sell it again was null and void. The court noted glaring irregularities in the documents relied on by Mwangi, including missing volume references, unsigned land registry entries, and inconsistencies in file numbers that rendered the alleged 2013 conveyance invalid. The Chief Land Registrar and the National Land Commission were directed to expunge Mwangi's title and restore the original ownership. Justice Mugambi issued a permanent injunction barring the defendants or their agents from accessing or dealing with the property and ordered them to vacate immediately. Police assistance was authorized to enforce the eviction if necessary. Mount Pleasant Limited was also awarded mean profits of Ksh 500,000 per month from the date of legal occupation, alongside general damages for trespass and costs of the suit. The decision delivers a bruising blow to one of Kenya's most influential corporate figures and reignites debate over the murky history of Nairobi's high-value land deals.